crisp and juicy red. B, banana, a breakfast to be fed. C, carrot, orange crunchy bright. D, donut, a sweet and yummy bite. E, eggplant, purple long and grand. F, fig, a fruit from distant land. G, grapes, in bunches sweet and fine. H, honey, a taste that's so divine. I, ice cream, a frozen sweet delight. J, jam, spread on bread so bright. K, kiwi, fuzzy green and new. L, lemon, a citrus tangy hue. M, milky creamy, yummy tasty dessert. N, nicely noodles, nuggets, nuts and cookies assert. O, onions, orange, olives, so much to see. P, pineapple, peas, peaches, perfect for tea. Q, quinoa, quick and healthy, a tasty grain. R, raspberries, raisins in sun or in rain. S, strawberry, spinach, sweet and savory sauce. T, tomatoes, toast, treats that never cause pause. Ugly fruit, unique and juicy, it's true. V, vegetables, vanilla, vitamins for you. W, watermelon, walnuts, warm and sweet. Wheat, X, shigua, special melon, a summer treat. Y, yum, yogurt, yellow peppers, a colorful array. Z, zucchini, zest, zing,